Turning Google SafeSearch on and off helps control the content that appears in search results, particularly filtering out explicit content. Here's how you can do it. Open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. Sign in into your Google account. This step ensures that SafeSearch settings are applied consistently across devices when signed in. Click on Settings, which is usually found at the bottom right corner of the Google homepage. In the drop-down menu that appears, click on Search Settings. Scroll down and select SafeSearch. Activate SafeSearch. To turn on SafeSearch, check the box next to Filter. This setting filters explicit content from search results. To turn off SafeSearch, check the box next to Off. This setting shows all relevant results even if they are explicit.